Initiating data stream. Welcome to the Training Simulator data stream. This program was designed to gauge neural link compatibility between mission control...
Training sim, huh? Yeah, I thought I was working with a professional.
You're only human.
Why do you need me then?
You're gonna utilize your talent in an entirely different manner than you were expecting.
That explains the complicated setup.
Aiming and firing. Position the aiming reticle over the target. Notice the recoil? Use short control burst. Lay on the trigger too long. Proceed to the next area. Grenade throwing. Let's see how well you can handle a grenade. Try throwing a single grenade into each container. If you run out of grenades, there are more on the table. You can throw grenades over long distances, or you can toss them out in front of you. Some grenades have an effective kill radius of 8 meters. Action. You may need to interact with a number of different things on the field. For example, enemy weapon emplacements. Move to the turret up ahead. Use it to take out the target.